Introducing the amazing AI tool for generating videos for YouTube or Facebook or LinkedIn for free. The AI tool is Invideo. Invideo have 3 plans for users. First plan, free users, in which you got 10 minutes per week video generation length, 10 GB storage, 4 export per week with Invideo logo, 2.5 million plus standard media stocks images. Second plan for plus users, start from $20 per month, in which you got 50 minutes per month video generation length, 40 images per month from iStock images, and unlimited exports, 100 GB storage up to one user. Third plan, max users, start from $48 per month, in which you got 200 minutes per month video generation length, 160 images per month from iStock images, and unlimited exports, 400 GB storage up to one user. Just follow these steps. Open browser, then search ai.invideo.io. Create account and fill relevant details. And here is the best part. You can take the help of ChatGPT for generating the perfect description or prompt for your video. You can write your prompt for generating descriptions like this. Now copy the description and paste it here. Now click on generate. After click on generate, select some options. Just wait for some minutes. Your video is ready to watch. Just click on export. After the click on export, your video will be downloaded. I was already downloaded it, so you can watch here my video.
Arrives. Chandrayaan-3 begins its descent towards the moon. The lunar South Pole, a region of immense scientific interest, is the chosen landing site. The descent is gradual and controlled. The spacecraft lands successfully, marking a historic moment for India and the world. The Chandrayaan-3 has made it to the moon, joining an elite group.
And there you have it, folks. Within just 3 minutes, Invideo generates a professional grade video that looked like it took hours for meticulous editing to create. Thanks for watching.